Hey, everyone! Welcome back, and today we have a treat for your taste buds. A mouth-watering carrot cake with pineapple recipe. If you love moist and flavorful cakes, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Let's get started. Show all the ingredients neatly laid out on the counter. A quick shot of preheating oven. First things first, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups shredded carrots, 1 cup crushed pineapple, drained, 1 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, cream cheese frosting for topping. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start with the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Give it a good whisk to make sure everything is evenly distributed. In another bowl, whisk together the sugar, eggs, and oil until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing just until combined. Now comes the fun part. Fold in the shredded carrots, crushed pineapple, and chopped nuts into the batter. The pineapple not only adds sweetness, but also keeps the cake incredibly moist. Pour the batter into a prepared baking pan and pop it into the preheated oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once the cake is cooled, it's time to add the finishing touch, cream cheese frosting. You can spread it generously over the top and sides of the cake. It adds the perfect creamy balance to the sweet and spiced cake. And there you have it, a delightful carrot cake with pineapple that's sure to impress. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking!